Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching once and again. I'm Boss Kirk. If it's the first time you're watching this video and never met me before, yep, thank you so much for watching once and again, and don't forget to share and subscribe, guys. But today I'm going to be giving you a train tour from St. John straight in to Barcelona city. So I'm here already on the platform, guys. Let me show you. It's right over there. And I think this is the train. Yep, this is the train. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I think this is it, guys. Yeah, this train goes to Barcelona. We need a seat, eh? Go in. Keep going. This guy is on the train now. But there's no seat. We're going to just stand here. Okay. Yeah, just relax back, guys, and enjoy the train tour. One seat, okay. I get you guys some nice footage. Gracias. Just arrived in Catalunya. That is the name of this city here in Barcelona, guys. Catalunya. It does have a very funny name, but that's the Spanish name, guys, you know, so that is the name of the city. And see, there we go, guys, just coming from down this train station. Really hope you guys did enjoy the train tour. So it's time now, guys, to take you a walk around this city. Yeah, and look and see what's around this city. Yes. Quite a busy city. It's quite a busy city. I think the police over there have been watching me. Anyway, they can see that I'm a tourist anyway, so nothing to worry about. So we're just waiting for this light to change to cross over. also guys, if there's any beach nearby as well, we're also going to take you on a tour as well guys. Okay, just relax back and enjoy the video. We got some restaurants over here as well. Yep. And also as well guys, I need to do a market tour as well, you know. I need to do a few market tour and also show you a few markets as well. So don't forget also that in the vlog guys. But just keep enjoying the vlog. Got some park bikes over that side. I didn't rent a car here guys because I just wanted to explore on the train, just to have a feel of what it's like here in Barcelona. I believe we got the tour bus down that end if you guys want to have a tour as well. Yep, the Barcelona tour that will be. So that's the Barcelona tour bus. So. This will be part of the strip as well, so I would love to give you guys also a night tour as well. Yes, the night tour will be nice, so I'll be looking for nice places for you guys. And don't worry as well guys, you know, I'll be traveling around the world and you will get to see a lot more interesting things, you know. And this is nothing guys, this is just the ice on the burn. I can see a water fountain from here. A water fountain from here.
Una gluten con lactosa.
I can smell cigarettes guys. Cigarettes. You guys, look how busy. Oh my god, look how busy it is here guys. Wow, so finally reaching the proper. This is the real town now guys. This is literally now the central town of Barcelona. Yeah, so it's really busy, you know, busy city. So you see, this is what you guys like to see, and that's what I'm showing you guys. Lots of beautiful ladies walk along this strip for you guys. That is what you guys like on the vlog, and this is what I'm giving to you now. There it is well guys, you see, here we can have your bus tour here as well. Yep, lots of tourists, hello, yep, tourists is on there. So there you go guys, you see the Barcelona city, -tour.com. So that's the site you need to go on guys, and it's right also over there as well. When you come here in Barcelona, check out this bus tour. Let's cross over. Okay, it's a one-way system. Okay, I don't need to be looking to the left.
Vaya ahí. Really
busy city. You know, so many people here in Barcelona guys are enjoying. I mean, I was not expecting this city to be busy, but it's really, really busy. So many people are walking along this strip, you know. It's a really, really busy place here in Barcelona. I hope you guys are enjoying this. And remember, just right on my left, the tour bus is right over that side as well. So you guys can also come and explore it, you know. So it is a quite busy here, you know. There's people just walking around me like flies, you know. And over here as well, they're queuing up as well, guys. And I also got something to share with you, which is the waterfalls on that side. Yeah. Oh, I think you have to pay to get inside, I believe. Okay, yes, you have to pay to go inside, but I don't think that have anything to do with the waterfalls. Waterfalls are beautiful. Oh, I thought that seagull was coming to grab the camel. That's what I thought for a second. Over here we got the taxis then. The people are still waiting over there for the bus tour. Whoever is a Barcelona football supporter, I'm one of them guys. And I'm very disappointed that Barcelona is not playing good at the moment. You know, not playing good at the moment, you know. Can you tell me what you think of this city? Drop your comments and just tell me what you think of this city, guys. I'm loving Barcelona. First time in Barcelona. It's really, really nice. Wow. If you guys love this content as well, guys, I will definitely return back to give you more content. But of course, I'll go to different cities. Of course, you got Madrid, you got Magaluf, which is the party town, Ibiza, the party town, Tenerife, the party town. I'm sure you guys are going to love those contents. So hopefully, I don't think I'll get a lot of time to get over that side, but at some point I will, guys. Just keep enjoying this video. Alright, I'm going to walk across this side. And whoever wants to be a part of the thumbnail picture. So I don't know. It would be nice to try and interview a few ladies here, but I don't know if they're good in English. So that's going to be also a part of the problem as well. So I'm not 100% sure about that. Yeah, people are trying to walk into me, but wait, I'm not in the wrong, am I? burger. Got a Burger King over there. I'd love to try the Burger King here in Spain as well. They got the Burger King on that side. And this is just a table where everybody eats, where they eat their food. Thank you so much. This is where I'm going to be wrapping up the tour for today here in Barcelona. Thank you so much, guys, and look out for some more of these videos. I really hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. As what I said, drop your comments if you like it. If you want me to keep bringing these videos, I can bring a lot of them for you guys, and to different cities as well. If you want me to return back to Spain, no problem, guys. But thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video up. And also don't forget to check out my best friend DMAC 4K World Tour. Also his name appeared on the screen. Please go and check out this channel, guys. I'm going to put this link down into the description. Thank you so much. Once and again, I'm signing out from here in Spain in Barcelona.